Beautiful shot by yours truly. That's what I call a headshot right here with the Magnum. That fool was up here on the tree. I was stalking him. I finally brought down a chipmunk. Man, I've been trying so hard. These things right here, holy shit. They're so fast, dude. No scope. And that's how it is, field dressed and ready, cleaned. Okay, that meat right here, this tastes like filet mignon. This is the bird cut up. You know, it's a pretty good meal, you know. You get you 3-4 of them, you're set. This meat right here, look how red it is. And it takes like 2-3 minutes to cook. Comes out beautiful, man. Went out hunting this morning, got me 4 squirrels. And this is how I cook this stew. Alright. Brown the meat. So cut up the squirrels in little pieces. Salt and pepper. Get your pan, butter. Alright, brown the meat for 10, 15, 20 minutes. The next step is to bring a pan, fill it with water, salt and pepper. Enough water that it will submerge your meat. Okay, and you want to simmer it, you want to slow cook it for a minimum of 1 hour to 2 hours. Alright, and also you can add vegetables, potatoes, onions, anything of your choice to the stew.